I've got a good story for you. I like stories. I know you do like stories. And this is a story about a lovely lady. I'm a lovely, I know you are a lovely lady. But this was a lovely lady that had a terrible, terrible problem. What kind? Well, the problem was that she just felt everybody was against her, and everything was going wrong. And what she started doing was, she just got real heavy. She ate a lot. No, it wasn't she ate a lot, but just her soul and her heart got real heavy, and she just didn't feel good at all. I don't like that. I know you don't. I know you don't. She got so bad, and everything in life was just going so wrong, that she started to bend over. What do you mean? Her head went down, and it got to such a stage where all she could see was her shoes. That's terrible. I know it's terrible, but that's where she was. Didn't that terrible? And you know how long it lasted? No, how long? It lasted for 18 years. Whoa! It's a long time. I know it is. I know it is, but there's a good part about this story. Ooh, that's a terrible story. I'm sorry for that lady. I know you are. But here's what happened. She was standing there, and Jesus came upon the scene. I know Jesus. I know you know. And he saw her. And he really felt sad, because he knew 18 years, that's a long time. That's a long time, I know. And so what he did was, he came over and he touched her. What he touched? He touched her. He touched her back and said, I want you to be free from your infirmity. And what happened? She stood up. 18 years she stood up. Yeah, that's right. After 18 years she suddenly just stood up. Wow. Now, that's a good story. I like it, but it's a good story for all women like yourself. That you should always, especially in the presence of Jesus, stand up and be proud of who you are, and never let people try to push you down or bend you over. Jesus will help you. Jesus will help you, and he'll make sure that never happens. That's a good story. I know it's a good story. I'm going to try to stand up. I got to talk to Jesus. Now you do that, will you? Well, now listen. Let's say goodbye to the people. You're going to do it your own way? Yes, we'll do it here. May Jesus' love for you always make you smile. Ha!